Hello, everybody. My name is Isaiah Walter. Um, my research study is going to be breaking down the different position groups in the sport of football. We'll be talking mainly the two major position groups, which are the skill positions and the heavy positions. There are obviously a lot of other positions, but they're kind of more hybrid positions, especially the linebacker position. It's more of a hybrid position because it has a lot of responsibilities and characteristics of a skill position and a heavy position. When we talk about quarterbacks and kickers, they're kind of on their own island. They're not really like either group. So we're not going to really talk about either of those positions today. We'll just be focusing on the skill positions and the heavy positions, which are, amongst the skill positions, you have wide receivers, defensive backs, running backs, and safeties. Amongst the heavy positions, you have defensive and offensive linemen. The differences we'll talk about, are their body composition, what makes up their physical structure, their physical and position responsibilities that they have on the field, the injuries that they're likely to get, and the injury prevention and training and preparation that each position needs to use. So for body composition, skill positions are generally a lot smaller compared to heavy positions. They're going to be a lot lighter in weight and they're going to be a lot shorter in height. Um, Heavy positions are going to be a lot stronger and a lot more powerful than skill positions, but this allows skill positions to be a lot faster and more agile than heavy positions. So in combines, you're going to see heavy positions are going to be better at bench lifting, and skill positions are going to be better at running, like the 40-yard dash and even the vertical. Um, so for their position responsibilities, physically, skill positions have to make cuts at full speed every single play. They have to sprint and accelerate every play for a lot longer distances than heavy positions do. Heavy positions on a lot more stationary um, part of the field. It's called the box, which is also called the trenches. The offensive and defensive linemen do a lot of hand-to-hand combat fighting, which is a huge reason why those groups have such different injuries. Um, Especially for heavy positions, they're a lot more likely to get concussions than skill positions. Skill positions are a lot more likely to get ACL injuries, hamstring tears from overuse and overrunning, and also all the cutting that they have to perform at such high speeds results in a lot of ACL tears. Um, Heavy positions are also more likely to get major impact injuries like broken arms, elbows, hands, wrists, stuff like that from all the hand-to-hand combat that they do in the trenches. Um, so when you talk about training, skill positions, you want to include a lot more speed and agility work, like plyometrics, the agility ladder, Olympic lifts, hand-eye coordination drills, like with tennis balls, and even the jugs machine, stuff like that, because skill positions have to touch the ball on the perimeter a lot more than heavy positions do. For heavy positions, you want to work on sled pushes, medicine ball throws, hoop drills for quick feet, and then even powerlifting, especially for both position groups, you want to add in Olympic lifts, resistance band workouts, sled pulls, powerlifting, Olympic lifting, because all of these type of drills and training is good for both groups and it activates all the muscles that both position groups use on the football field. So in conclusion, to wrap it up, we talked about a lot of differences between the two major position groups on the field, which is skill positions and heavy positions. And these differences are their body compositions, their responsibilities on the football field, their injuries that they're more likely to get, and the training and preparation to prevent these injuries and to prepare for um, for optimal performance on the football field. Excuse me. And but another thing we talked about, we also looked at, how they're also similar, the two position groups, and how, no matter how different the positions are on a field and on a team, and this goes for every single sport, no matter the differences, you're all working towards one goal, and every single group has to train specifically for that group and for that position in order to optimize their performance.